than ever. So here's the deal. I'm gonna cut my hair. I'm cutting my hair. I have been wanting to go to the salon and not do it myself. My hair is damaged, as you can see. Like, this bottom section is okay, but all of this is not good. And I'm tired of looking like a crazy woman. And I really did not want to cut my hair, but it's damaged, and the damaged part just needs to go. So I know that means I'm gonna have to cut a lot off, and I'm not looking forward to it in one regards, but in other regards, I want to get my hair healthy again. And that is just something that I am, committed to doing. But I want a tight budget, and an opportunity just presented itself to me to join a fitness class. And so I want to take my extra ducats to pay for this fitness support group. And so, you know what? I'm going to cut my hair myself so I can save my money to do something else that's a lot more important than hair. And so you guys are going to be with me today, whether you like it or not. All right? So y'all, come on. My glasses are still dirty, but I got them on. So what do you think, guys? What do you think? I personally think it didn't turn out too bad. I know if you are in the beauty industry, you're probably going to be like, oh my gosh, you butchered your hair. But a mama got to do what a mama got to do. What a mama got to do. What a mama got to do. And I need to save my ducats because this gotta go. And I need to invest in my health. And I'm tired of my daughter saying, oh, mommy, we're gonna have a baby. There's a baby in your tummy. Ain't no baby in this tummy. So I gotta on getting my hair done to work on getting healthy. But in all, I do think that it turned out really nice. I am excited about how it turned out. Tell me, what do you think, guys? I ain't gonna lie, this took longer than expected. But y'all know the drill. We'll see you in the next video, okay? Bye.